Best Cal AI referral codes. Want to unlock discounts and rewards with Cal AI? Here's how to find and use the best referral codes. So, start by checking trusted coupon websites. Verified codes like WheezeFeet or Gabriella often give you 20% off subscription. After finding the verified referral codes, go ahead and use codes during sign up. Enter the referral code during sign up. This unlocks discounts for you and rewards for the person who referred you. New users often get the biggest savings. Some codes slash up to 70% off your first subscription. Cal AA runs seasonal promotions like holiday deals while subscriptions drop below $15 per month. Combine this with referral codes for maximum savings. Once you're signed up, share your own referral code. Friends save money and you earn credits or discounts in return. And that is how to get the best Cal AI referral codes. Use verified code stack with seasonal promos and share your own link to maximize rewards.